Hey. Oh god. That was so perfect. Yeah, we were blocking that tunnel for like 5 minutes and not a single car came.
Dude, the same thing happened.
Perfect. Halfway through ACH right now. I think we're waiting for Will, I guess.
Is he in the Jeep?
Yeah, in the Wrangler. While we got all the other cars here. That was a pretty solid time up because everyone pulled over except for that first Honda, but got him in the passing lane. Hey,
it's like deja vu. We just did this.
It's like we didn't do this, but I didn't hit the record button and I didn't notice that I didn't.
Oh, I'm here.
The Jeep made it. Solid lineup. Stop number 2. No Jeep in sight.
That's why we're stopped.
Joe, where's the Jeep?
I don't know, bro.
Seawill's our safety car. We're waiting for him. Seawill is our tow truck.
Yeah.
This whole vlog is just gonna be waiting for Seawill. I swear.
We made it.
Rev it out.
I thought he was gonna fly through at like 40.
I was expecting to as well. Probably doesn't know how many cars in it.
Sewell, clutch in! Rev it! Yeah!
Hey, what's he doing, bro? Okay, bud. Well, mine doesn't really pop in neutral.
It's like $200 in tires right there.
Is that him testing?
We should just sit up really loud. Like 2 a.m. Nice! Holy! They're so fast! Why is he here instead of Formula Drift right now?
What? What do you
He
mean?
should be at Irwindale.
Formula Drift was yesterday.
Last night.
That's the reason. Like, no.
I'm selling my car, guys!
If anybody knows anybody's saying in this,
Hey, what's up, dude? Welcome to my car meet.
hi, this is a nice car meet. I didn't know you know all these rich guys.
You need Tacoma.
Yeah, Type R. Oh boy. It's actually way too crowded here. We're not
Yeah, no. Habit on the way back.
Can't even park anywhere. Man, why'd you bring your Miata up here?
I know. This is what I've been hiding.
Dang, you got it refreshed and everything. Fix the door, change up the interior. Got it worked on by Tri-Point.
I turboed it.
Oh yeah, sheesh. When are you gonna fix your Miata?
I don't know.
When are you gonna drive your Miata?
I need a job first.
Sick MR2, bro. I'm just kidding. It's
Made it, man.
I can.
Sucked. I was like, me and Christian, we're gonna check out another spot over there. Alright, we'll be back. Hey, Christian.
Okay. Yo, you gotta go like 80 miles an hour right now. 3. You're gonna hunt down that ATV? It's a chase now. This is barely even rough. What is that? The camera keeps focusing on the glass, not the thing.
Camera focus, god damn it.
That guy is moving.
So cool.
So if you look to the right, we have a WRX rally car. Then if you look straight ahead, we have a slammed M2 on BBS wheels and a slammed Mustang GT. This is your doing.
I know, it's so much nuts.
Oh, your camera.